Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best John Deere D110 carburetor is probably one of the most crucial components for maintaining your lawn tractor's optimal performance, ensuring that your machine receives the precise fuel-air mixture it needs to run smoothly and efficiently, especially when tackling demanding tasks like mowing large areas or navigating uneven terrain, making its proper functioning absolutely essential for any homeowner who relies on their John Deere D110 for yard maintenance. Number 5. D105 LA115 Carburetor for John Deere Lawn Tractors. Ensure your John Deere lawn tractor runs smoothly with this premium carburetor. It's designed for optimal performance and reliability. This part is a direct replacement for various John Deere models, including the D100, LA105, and L1742 series. It ensures a seamless fit. Designed to work with 17 horsepower, 19 horsepower, and 21 horsepower engines, it's compatible with Nicky carburetors and specific part numbers for a precise match. This comprehensive kit includes the carburetor, fuel filters, shut-off valve, spark plug, clamps, fuel hose, and gasket for a complete installation. Don't let a faulty carburetor slow you down. Get your lawn tractor back to its full power and efficiency with this essential replacement part. Crafted for durability, this carburetor is built to last, providing consistent fuel delivery and performance for your lawn care needs. What we like. This carburetor comes as a comprehensive kit, including essential extras like fuel filters and hoses. If you're looking for a one-stop solution to get your mower running again with all necessary components, this is a great choice. It's designed to fit a wide range of John Deere models and replaces several part numbers, offering excellent value and convenience. What people say. Replaced a carburetor in a John Deere LA105 mower that wasn't running. Easy to install, and it allowed the mower to fire right up. The carb appeared to be pretty good quality and the plastic parts seemed to be sturdier for the linkage. Fit was good and the motor fired right up. Some reviews said a small adjustment had to be made and that was correct for low speed only. However, some reviews reported poor fit and wrong carb features for their Walbro carb. This is an excellent replacement for a Nicky carb on several BNS motors, and it does fix the problem with the surging seen on many OEM carbs. Fit my D110 lawn tractor perfectly. Absolutely no issues. Tractor started immediately and then ran beautifully. I recommend this product for the D110. Number 4. Pro Chaser LA115 D110 Carburetor for John Deere. Ensure your lawn tractor runs smoothly with this premium carburetor. It's designed for optimal performance and reliability. This part is specifically designed to work with a range of John Deere lawn tractor models. Check the compatibility list to ensure it fits your machine. Whether you have a 17.5 horsepower, 19.5 horsepower, or 21 horsepower engine, this carburetor is built to provide the right fuel mixture for efficient operation. The package contains not just the carburetor, but also vital accessories like fuel filters, a spark plug, and a shut-off valve for a complete replacement. This is a direct replacement for Nicky carburetors with specific part numbers. It ensures a hassle-free installation process. Don't let a faulty carburetor slow you down. Get your lawn tractor back to its full potential with this reliable part. What we like. This option offers a direct fit for many John Deere models and is from a brand that works with reputable manufacturers. If you appreciate a known brand name and want a carburetor that is specifically designed to work with certain Nicky part numbers, this is a solid pick. It also comes with a tune-up kit, making it a convenient choice for a full service. What people say. The carburetor was a perfect fit and my John Deere D110 runs like new again. Easy to install and the mower started right up after replacement. Number 3. MIA 12509 Carburetor for John Deere LA125 D110 LA105. Is your John Deere LA125, D110, or LA105 mower running rough? It might be time for a new carburetor. This replacement is designed to get your machine back in top shape. This part directly replaces MIA 12509 and MIA 11474, ensuring a perfect fit for your Intech engine. It comes complete with a gasket for a complete repair. Crafted from sturdy, reliable materials, this carburetor is built for durability. It's designed to withstand tough working conditions and provide a long service life. Experience optimized performance with an even fuel mix. This ensures increased engine efficiency, better starting, and improved power output for smooth operation. No need for professional help. The installation process is straightforward, making it easy for DIY enthusiasts to complete the job quickly and save time. Get your lawnmower running like new again. This carburetor will help restore its power and ensure it performs reliably every time you use it. What we like. If you prioritize longevity and smooth operation, this carburetor is an excellent option. Its construction from sturdy materials ensures durability, while its design optimizes fuel mix for better engine efficiency and power. For DIY enthusiasts who want a reliable part that's simple to install and will keep their mower running like new, this is the one to consider. What people say. The carburetor was a perfect fit for my John Deere D110. It started right up after installation and ran smoothly. The quality seems good, and it was a direct replacement for the original part. Number 2. Hipa 799727 carburetor for Briggs and Stratton engines. This carburetor is designed as a direct replacement for your engine. It ensures a perfect fit and reliable performance. It is compatible with a wide range of Briggs and Stratton engine models, including those with 14 horsepower to 18 horsepower. Check the part numbers for a precise match. This part replaces numerous original Briggs and Stratton part numbers, simplifying your search for the correct component. It is specifically designed for use with Briggs and Stratton Intech engines, ensuring optimal functionality for your equipment. When you purchase this item, you will receive one carburetor and one fuel filter to help you complete the job. To guarantee you receive the correct part, please verify your engine model and existing part numbers before making your purchase. What we like. This carburetor is a fantastic choice if you have a Briggs and Stratton Intech engine, especially if you're unsure of the exact part number. It replaces a vast array of BS part numbers and is compatible with a wide range of engine displacements. If you need a versatile replacement that covers many bases for older or varied BNS engines, this is a highly recommended option. What people say. The carburetor was an exact fit for my John Deere D110. It was easy to install and my mower started right up after replacing the old one. Number 1. John Deere Lawn Tractor Carburetor Tune-Up Kit. Is your John Deere tractor running rough? This tune-up kit is designed to bring it back to life, ensuring a smooth and reliable performance for your lawn care needs. This carburetor replacement is engineered for a wide range of John Deere models, including the 100, D, L, LA, and X series. It's also compatible with specific riding mowers and tractors like the 1642HS and S1742. Specifically designed for engines ranging from 17.5 to 21 horsepower, this kit ensures optimal compatibility and performance for your tractor's power needs. Enjoy a hassle-free experience with a part that's known for its good working condition and reliability. Installation is straightforward, getting you back to mowing in no time. We stand behind our product with a 1-year guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied for any reason, we offer a full refund or replacement. What we like. For peace of mind and a hassle-free experience, this carburetor stands out with its 1-year warranty. If you're looking for a reliable part that's known to be in good working condition and is straightforward to install, this is an excellent selection. The included warranty makes it a risk-free purchase for anyone wanting to ensure their John Deere tractor is back in action. What people say. This carburetor was a perfect fit for my John Deere D110. The engine started right up after installing this carburetor. It was an exact replacement for the original carburetor. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.